Hello everyone, and welcome to the On-Frame channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fabrication details of the 2024 BMW 5 Series at BMW Group Plant Dingolfing. The BMW 5 Series, a cornerstone of BMW's luxury lineup, is meticulously crafted at the BMW Group Plant Dingolfing. This plant, located in Lower Bavaria, Germany, is one of the most advanced automotive manufacturing facilities in the world. Spanning over 280 hectares, it employs more than 17,000 workers, making it BMW's largest production site in Europe. The Dingolfing plant has a rich history, having been in operation since 1967, and it's now a central hub for producing BMW's flagship models, including the 7 Series and 8 Series, alongside the 5 Series. The plant is renowned for its cutting-edge technology, sustainability efforts, and the seamless integration of human skill with robotic precision. General overview of BMW Plant Dingolfing. Location and size. Situated in Lower Bavaria, the plant covers approximately 280 hectares, making it a massive, sprawling facility dedicated to high-end vehicle production. Production capacity. The plant has a production capacity of around 1,600 vehicles per day, underscoring its importance within BMW's global manufacturing network. Workforce and innovation. Employing over 17,000 people, the plant is a leader in innovation, particularly in the areas of digitalization, sustainability, and the use of advanced robotics in automotive manufacturing. With this background in mind, let's dive into the intricate fabrication process of the 2024 BMW 5 Series at this world-class facility. 1. Press shop, precision metal shaping. The journey of each BMW 5 Series begins in the press shop, where raw materials are transformed into the car's structural components. Here's how it happens. Material selection. The process starts with selecting high-strength steel and aluminum alloys, chosen for their lightweight, strength, and durability. These materials are delivered in large coils or sheets. Blanking. The first step involves cutting the large metal sheets into smaller, precisely sized blanks, using a process called blanking. These blanks are then fed into the press. Stamping. Using powerful hydraulic presses, the blanks are stamped into the complex shapes required for various body panels. These presses apply thousands of tons of force, allowing the metal to form around intricate dies. Each die is custom designed for specific panels, such as doors, hoods, or fenders. This step is crucial for achieving the precise dimensions and contours that define the 5 Series' iconic look. Deep drawing. Some parts require deep drawing, a process where metal is stretched into a three-dimensional shape. This technique is used for forming large, deep parts like the roof or body sides. It's a delicate process that requires careful control to avoid tearing or deforming the metal. Laser trimming. After stamping, the panels are trimmed using high-precision laser cutting. This step ensures that all openings, such as those for windows, doors, and lights, are perfectly shaped. Lasers also create the sharp, clean edges required for the assembly process. Quality inspection. Every panel undergoes rigorous quality checks using advanced measurement systems, including 3D laser scanners and tactile sensors. These systems detect even the slightest deviations from the design specifications, ensuring each part meets BMW's exacting standards before moving to the next stage. 2. Body shop, crafting the skeleton. The body shop is where the individual stamped panels are assembled into the car's body shell, a process that blends cutting-edge automation with precise human craftsmanship. Robotic assembly. Over 2,000 robots handle the assembly process, working with incredible precision and speed. The panels are clamped into place by robotic arms, ensuring they're perfectly aligned before welding begins. Spot welding. Robots use spot welding to fuse the panels together at critical points. Each spot weld is carefully positioned to ensure maximum structural integrity. On the BMW 5 Series, more than 5,000 spot welds are used to create the body shell, forming a rigid and durable structure. Laser welding and brazing. For areas requiring a smoother finish, such as roof seams, laser welding and brazing are used. This technique creates a seamless, aesthetically pleasing bond that's also incredibly strong. Laser brazing is particularly important for reducing wind noise and improving aerodynamics. Adhesive bonding. In addition to welding, structural adhesives are applied to the joints, particularly in areas that require additional strength or where materials like aluminum and steel are joined. This process not only adds rigidity, but also helps reduce the vehicle's overall weight, contributing to better fuel efficiency and handling. Crash simulation. Before proceeding to the next stage, the body shell undergoes virtual crash simulations using sophisticated software. This ensures that the welds and joints will perform as expected in real-world crash scenarios, providing maximum safety to occupants. Body in white inspection. The completed body shell, now referred to as the body in white, undergoes a comprehensive inspection. Advanced 3D measurement systems and skilled technicians meticulously check each weld, seam, and joint to ensure everything meets the strictest quality standards. 3. Paint shop, achieving the perfect finish. In the paint shop, the body shell undergoes a multi-stage painting process designed to deliver both durability and a flawless finish. Pre-treatment and electrocoating. The body in white is first cleaned and treated to remove any residues or impurities. It's then submerged in an electrocoating bath, where a protective primer is applied using an electric current. This coating process ensures even coverage and excellent corrosion resistance. Sealing and sound deadening. Sealants are applied to the seams and joints to ensure a watertight and airtight finish. Additionally, sound deadening materials are applied to the interior surfaces, reducing noise and vibrations, which is crucial for the luxurious feel of the 5 Series. Base coat application. Robots apply the base coat, which contains the vehicle's color. Multiple layers are sprayed on, each with a precise thickness to ensure a deep, rich color. The paint shop offers a wide range of color options, allowing customers to personalize their BMW 5 Series. Clear coat application. A final layer of clear coat is applied to protect the paint from environmental damage and UV rays. This clear coat also enhances the vehicle's gloss and depth, giving it the premium finish expected from a BMW. The painted body is then cured in high-temperature ovens, which hardens the paint and ensures a durable, long-lasting finish. The curing process also helps the paint bond securely to the metal, providing resistance to chipping and scratching. Final inspection. After curing, the paintwork is thoroughly inspected under specialized lighting conditions. Any imperfections, such as dust particles or uneven application, are identified and corrected. The car's paint finish must be flawless before it can proceed to assembly. 4. Assembly line, bringing the BMW 5 Series to life. The assembly line is where the BMW 5 Series comes to life, with the integration of all mechanical, electrical, and interior components. Powertrain installation. The engine, transmission, and drivetrain components are installed next. These components are pre-assembled and tested before being fitted into the vehicle. The powertrain is carefully aligned and secured to the chassis to ensure optimal performance and durability. Interior assembly. The assembly process begins with the interior. Robots and skilled workers install the wiring harnesses, which are the vehicle's electrical lifeline, connecting all electronic systems. Next, the dashboard, seats, and infotainment systems are installed. BMW's attention to detail is evident here, as every stitch and component is meticulously placed to ensure a premium feel. Cockpit assembly. The cockpit, including the steering wheel, instrument cluster, and center console, is assembled separately and then installed as a single unit. This modular approach allows for greater precision and efficiency. Suspension and wheels. The suspension system, including the shock absorbers, springs, and control arms, is installed, followed by the wheels. The car is then lowered onto the ground for the first time. The suspension is calibrated to ensure the perfect balance between comfort and handling, which is a hallmark of the BMW 5 Series. Glass and sealing. The windows and windshields are installed using precision robots equipped with suction cups. Sealants are applied to ensure a perfect fit, providing protection against the elements and contributing to the vehicle's overall structural integrity. Exterior components. The exterior trim, including bumpers, grills, lights, and badges, is added. Each component is carefully aligned and attached to ensure a seamless fit and finish. The lighting systems are tested, and the vehicle's software is uploaded to ensure all electronic systems are functioning correctly. Five, final quality control, ensuring BMW perfection. Before the BMW 5 Series leaves the Dingolfing plant, it undergoes a series of stringent quality control tests to ensure it meets BMW's exacting standards. Dynamic testing. The vehicle is driven on a test track where its performance, handling, and braking systems are rigorously evaluated. This includes high-speed tests, emergency braking, and slalom courses. The goal is to ensure the car delivers the dynamic driving experience BMW is known for. Water leak test. The car is subjected to a simulated rainstorm to ensure there are no leaks in the cabin. This test is crucial for confirming the effectiveness of the seals and gaskets installed during the assembly process. NVH testing. Noise, vibration, and harshness, NVH levels, are tested in a soundproof chamber. The vehicle is evaluated to ensure it meets the luxury standards of quietness and smoothness expected in a BMW. Any unwanted noises or vibrations are identified and corrected. Visual inspection. A team of highly trained inspectors examines the vehicle for any cosmetic imperfections. This includes checking the paint finish, panel gaps, and overall fit and finish. The goal is to ensure the car looks as perfect as it performs. Software calibration. The vehicle's software systems, including the infotainment, driver assistance, and safety systems, are calibrated and tested. This ensures all systems are functioning correctly and are up to date with the latest features. 6. Logistics and delivery, from Dingolfing to the world. After passing all quality checks, the BMW 5 Series is prepared for delivery. Final detailing. The vehicle undergoes a final detailing process where it is cleaned, polished, and prepped for shipment. Protective covers are applied to sensitive areas to prevent damage during transport. Shipping. The vehicles are loaded onto specialized car carriers for transport to dealerships around the world. And now let's have a look over the final product. The 2024 BMW 5 Series has undergone a striking transformation with its bold, refined design. The sedan has grown in size, now measuring 5,060 millimeters in length, 1,900 millimeters in width, and 1,515 millimeters in height, with an extended wheelbase of 2,995 millimeters. This increase in dimensions contributes to a more commanding presence on the road and a more spacious interior. At the front, the 5 Series flaunts a modern interpretation of BMW's twin headlights and kidney grille, with LED elements that serve as turn indicators and daytime running lights. The grille's wide surround, with optional BMW iconic glow contour lighting, adds an extra touch of sophistication. The side profile features a high shoulder line and powerfully sculpted surfaces, complemented by flush-mounted door handles and an embossed 5 at the base of the C-pillar. The rear end is equally impressive, with flat rear lights divided by a chrome strip, enhancing the vehicle's dynamic appearance. Driving pleasure and innovative comfort. The new BMW 5 Series is engineered to deliver an unparalleled driving experience, combining exceptional performance with supreme comfort. The interior is a showcase of modern luxury, featuring a significantly streamlined cockpit with reduced physical controls. The BMW curved display, comprising a 12.3-inch information display and a 14.9-inch control display, offers a futuristic interface, while the newly designed steering wheel and optional BMW interaction bar add to the high-tech ambience. A standout feature of the 2024 5 Series is its fully vegan interior, setting a new precedent for sustainability in luxury vehicles. The cabin's materials include a new Veganza option with leather-like properties and optional BMW individual merino leather upholstery in striking bicolor variants. This commitment to eco-friendly materials aligns with BMW's vision for a more sustainable future. Electrifying performance and advanced technology. The 2024 BMW 5 Series introduces the all-electric BMW i5, which boasts the latest fifth-generation BMW eDrive technology. The i5 M60 xDrive, the high-performance variant, generates up to 442 kilowatt, 601 horsepower, and accelerates from 0 to 100 km, 62 miles per hour in a thrilling 3.8 seconds. Its electric all-wheel drive system provides up to 820 newton-meters, 605 pound-feet of torque, ensuring an exhilarating driving experience. The BMW i5 eDrive 40, another electric variant, delivers a more modest yet impressive performance with 250 kilowatts, 340 horsepower, and a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour acceleration time of 6.0 seconds. The BMW i5 features an advanced high-voltage battery with a usable energy content of 81.2 kilowatt-hours, offering a range of up to 516 kilometers, 320 miles on a single charge. With the new Max Range function, this can be extended by up to 25%, perfect for long journeys. The 2024 BMW 5 Series sets a new benchmark in the luxury sedan segment, offering a harmonious blend of elegance, performance, and advanced technology. Whether you opt for the all-electric i5, a high-performance variant, or a traditionally powered engine, the new 5 Series promises an unparalleled driving experience. Discover the future of driving with the BMW 5 Series, where innovation and luxury meet on the road. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest automotive innovations, and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the future of driving. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.